So this is the one that this is the toilet seat cover that I bought. It's called Jamestown, and it's a slow close, so it doesn't just close. It's slow close, so it doesn't break easily. So I'm gonna open that up now, and then we're gonna see what's inside. So stay tuned. All right, let's open it up. That's all the stuff that is needed. So the parts is this is out the box now. This is what it looks like. You can see that it's supposed to be slow close. I guess you have to fix it before you can see that. So this is the only thing it came with. This is the only parts that came with it. All right, let's go. Alrighty, so I just placed that toilet seat on top of this. This is the old one. The top came off, so I'm gonna put this on top. I'm lucky I got the right. I guess they're all standard size. So, all right. So we're gonna set the camera and then fix that now. So firstly, you have to take this out. I've already wiped my toilet with disinfectant or like a spray as much as I can. So I'm just gonna take this out. Use a screwdriver to take this out so I can place the new one in. I'm wearing gloves because, you know, online people, you guys are brutal. This is my kids' toilet, so take the screw out. Ooh, this is not part of it, guys. That's why I'm wearing gloves. So that's out, as you can see. I'm gonna put that and wipe this thoroughly. Nice and clean. So I'll be placing the new one. See, now it's all out and it's clean. So now let's place the new one. So once we place the new one on, this was closed. So just open it up so you can put the screws in. Open it up. Open it up. See that? And you can be able to pull the screws in. Yeah, so you can put the screws in. Okay, let's get the screws. We have placed that in right now, and we're gonna use this under, put it under and just tighten it, and then you close this. The tools, it's only two parts. Put that in, put this in, and just this goes under, and just put that under and just tighten it. So let's do that. Just gonna tighten this up. Okay, so that's tightened now, and then you just close this, and let's see if it works. Yes, slow close. Yes. I don't have to hear that noise every night when they use the bathroom. Thank goodness.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.